In this video, I'm going to answer the question, should you use a dropshipping directory? Here's a hint. Again, should you use dropshipping directories? No. And here's why. Why add another middleman to the process here? If you want to sell a product, go directly to the brand. So say I wanted to sell 3D printers. One of the brands that's out there is called FlashForge. Should I go to a dropshipping directory and look for 3D printers that I should sell? Or should I go directly to FlashForge and make a deal with them? Let them know that I'd like to become a retailer for their product and start selling from FlashForge directly. Now, in some cases, some companies do use a distribution agent, a distribution company who is fulfilling for many different companies. They preserve margins, and those are okay. And sometimes you'll get referred there. In fact, when I owned a 3D printer business, I was referred to one. They're actually out of business now. It's called Winit, but they're not around anymore. And so sometimes a distribution agent or a distribution company can stand in the middle, but most of the time, above 95% of the time, you're gonna go directly to the brand. So if you need help finding the products you wanna sell, head over to our website. There's a free training on there, dropshipbreakthrough.com, and John will walk you through how to find your products and how to find the brands that you wanna sell. And check out the other videos in our YouTube channel if you need some ideas on what high ticket products you should sell.